This is your girl Sylivia doing the cooking. I'm going to prepare fish and karo millet plus cassava flour mixed together with mingo. That's what I'm going to cook today. Hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to drop a comment down there for your sweet girl, and you can subscribe on the circle. Just tap there on the word subscribe. Thank you for watching and for loving your girl. These are the ingredients we are going to use. We have tomatoes, we have onions, green pepper, we have cow ghee, and this is our fish. I think this is the fish. We're going to start. This is the saucepan. We're going to put cow ghee. And I'm adding the onion, the onions are getting ready. We're going to add green pepper. Then tomatoes. The tomatoes are getting ready, as you can see. You can add salt, our tomatoes are ready. We added salt, they are now ready. You can add what? I'm going to add water. I'm going to add some water. I'm going to put my fish. It is here. Yes. So after. You see, it is boiling. It is boiling. We boil for like 10 minutes and be ready within 10 minutes. See the soup? Hi, we are going to prepare cassava flour plus millet flour. We are going to mingle. This is the cassava flour and the millet flour to make karo. It is mixed. We mix them too. This is the water. It is already boiling. We are going to mingle. We put the flour, the saucepan. We add water. As Africans, we use our eyes to measure. We don't measure like others. We use our eyes to measure. You measure. Say this water is enough. This is karo. Boiling. This is the fish we prepared. That is the soup. See how it looks. This is the karo. This is the matoke. My husband enjoys that. This is the juice. This one is a banana juice. A shande. This one is passion fruit juice. Otunda. We're going to eat. Say hi to the viewers. Say hi as you enjoy your meal. Yeah? Hello, hello.
Yes.
Hey, welcome back from work.
Thank you.
You can enjoy your meal. Those who know how to mingle, I think you see what I'm doing. You're forgiving me, Maxi. If it is right or I'm doing the wrong thing. This is how we do it here. Enjoy eating karo with fish and matoke. It's getting ready. See? I think it is getting ready. So we have this small basket. We put some flour so that the carrot doesn't spoil the basket. Our carrot is ready. Our carrot is ready to be eaten. Hey, yeah. It's not easy to subscribe to do these videos of YouTube. How do you find the food?
Very sweet.
Yeah?
Sweet.
Okay, that's good.
I wish everyone can come and we
You eat.
see.
Please, people,
Everyone outside seeing.
is seeing you, you're enjoying your meal. Please, people, do like our videos, subscribe, comment. Yeah. Hey, thank you very much, everyone, watching.